Hello children, today we continue with chapter 7, Air Around Us. Today's our topic is air pollution. Air that is dirty is called polluted air. Air becomes dirty because of smoke and dust. You must have seen smoke coming out of vehicles and factories. This smoke mixes with air and makes the air dirty. This is called air pollution. So what is air pollution? The smoke coming out of vehicles and factories mixes with the air and make the air dirty. This is called air pollution. Breathing polluted air can cause diseases like tuberculosis and asthma. Next topic, keeping the air clean. It's important to keep the air clean. Breathing dirty air can make us ill. Here are some preventive measures to keep the air clean. Grow more plants because plants make the air clean and fresh. Keep the doors and windows open. Allow fresh air to enter the house. Don't always shut the doors and windows. Always keep it open. Then only the fresh air enter into the house. Do not sit near people who are smoking. We know that smoking is injurious to health, and if we breathe that air, what will happen? It will make us ill. So don't sit near the people those who are smoking. So we have completed this chapter 7, Air Around Us. In this chapter we have learnt about the importance of air, properties of air and air pollution. And today's your homework is do exercise C, filling the blanks in the textbook and in the copy. There can be no dash without air. The answer is given here in the jumbled words, and we have to unjumble the words and write the answer properly. There can be no fire without air. Dash is filled in tires. Air is filled in tires. Very fast blowing wind is called dash. Very fast blowing wind is called storm. We can dash air when it moves. We can feel air when it moves. Next question answer. Do this exercise also in the textbook and copy. What makes the air dirty? Smoke and dust make the air dirty. How can we make the air clean? Grow more plants. Keep the doors and windows open. Name 2 diseases caused by breathing in polluted air. Tuberculosis and asthma. What is breeze? Slow moving air is called breeze. Then you have one activity to do. Write a slogan or message to prevent air pollution. Write this in page number 47. The space, one box is given there in the textbook. Write the slogan or message in that box. And you paste the pictures of air pollution in the copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.